In this lecture, we will understand the meaning of ICT skills, its importance, and how we can improve our ICT skills. First of all, the meaning of ICT skills. The term ICT skills describes the abilities required to effectively use the ICT components such as computers, smartphones, CCTVs, etc. We can go to the market to purchase computers, smartphones, CCTV, but we should also have the knowledge or the ability how to use the computer to write the mail or how to use the computer to make the graphs or tables, how to use the smartphone for having video call with other person, or how to use the smartphone for Facebook or WhatsApp purpose, and how to use the CCTV. All these types of skills come under the purview of ICT skills. ICT skills are about understanding and applying a range of computer programs, software, and other applications. Now, the examples of ICT skills are using ICT hardware to scan, print, and copy documents. ICT, ICT skill also includes a digital camera, how to it to be used for to capture a video footage, how to use the computer software such as Adobe Photoshop for editing images, how we can use search engine such as Bing or Google to find the information on a particular topic, and how we can use the social media accounts such as Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook, and how we can use Google Drive or Dropbox. ICT skills help us to communicate, run our business, and stay connected with our family and friends. And hence, every person needs to acquire ICT skills, and he has to stay updated with the latest software and applications. It is not necessary that we should have the knowledge of all types of ICT skills. We should have the basic knowledge of ICT skills and also the ICT skills which are relevant to the field in which we are working. Now, we will understand the importance of ICT skills. The usage of ICT is increasing in our day to day life. We are becoming more and more dependent on the digital devices like computers, mobile phones, CCTVs, etc. Now, most of us have a smartphone, and we are also having internet facility on that. ICT skills are the abilities that help you understand and operate a wide range of technology software. ICT skills include how to use the computers or smartphones to make video calls or for searching on the internet. ICT skills also include any interaction with technology. ICT skills also include how to turn on or turn off a computer, how to use the particular hardware to print the document or copy the document, and how to use the digital camera to capture the photograph, or how to use the digital camera to make a video of the same. In the past, an ordinary shopkeeper used to keep the record on notebooks about the transactions or the stock levels which he has in his shop. But now the time has changed. The retailers are also using computers for recording various types of transactions and for the purpose of management of stock. The use of latest technology is helping the all types of businessmen and shopkeepers to keep track of inventory, what is available in their shop or in their factory, and what is the shopping trend, and what is the level of customer demand. Suppose today is Sunday and we plan to have a dinner at some new restaurant which we may not have visited earlier. We will spend some time, we will search for the same on a computer or on our smartphone. We will look at the websites of the restaurants. We will read the blogs and the comments of the people who might have visited those restaurants. And after that, we will decide that we will visit a particular restaurant. For the smooth running of any business, it is essential that the persons with ICT skills should be employed. That is, he must have the basic knowledge how to use the computer, or he must have the knowledge how to use the smartphone for receiving and sending mails, or how to use the WhatsApp for clicking photo and sending the same to the other person, which may be our customer. Nowadays, employers expect their staff to have basic ICT skills. Competition is increasing in each and every type of industry. The businessmen have to work hard to come up to the expectations of the customers. They also need to employ or hire staff who can implement and use technologies so that more and more customers are attracted towards their products or services. That is, they have to employ the staff or hire outside staff, or they may have to indulge in outsourcing so that there is a company website is made more user friendly, or a new digital marketing strategy is created. Now the companies have to use social media, video marketing and podcasts to promote their products. Information and communication technology is cost effective and time saving. Now we come to the another topic about the basic ICT skills which all employees should have. First is, all employees should have the basic knowledge of ICT hardware. ICT hardware does not mean the latest technological devices. It means basic hardware devices such as computers, printers, scanners, smartphones, photocopiers. The employee should also know how to use the internet safely. As all of you might be knowing, that if we use this site HTTP, this is not safe site. If we use the site HTTPS, which starts with HTTPS, this is the secure site. So these are the basic tips or knowledge which an employee is expected to have. Further, the employee should have the knowledge how to use the computer for the purpose of making email or typing. He should also have the ability to use the software such as Microsoft Word, PowerPoint to produce documents such as writing letters, PowerPoint presentations, leaflets, posters. He should also have the knowledge how to use the Gmail or Microsoft Outlook or other mail service providers so that the, the company or an individual can communicate with internal or external contacts. Now the question arises how we can improve ICT skills. If you already have basic ICT knowledge, we can improve our ICT skills by using any of the following options. We can visit local library and where we can make use of the various books available on different topics such as Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Access, or Outlook, or any other topic in which we want to improve our ICT skills. When the books are available, you can go through the same, which will provide you step by step guide so that you can improve your skills in the particular field. For example, if you want how to use the Microsoft Word or how to make the presentation using PowerPoint, you can go through the relevant book and you will find a lot of guidance from there. The next tip may another important point, maybe we can seek the help from a friend or relative which may be good in the ICT skills in the area you need to improve in. For example, if you want that you want to make your improvement in writing letters, how to use Microsoft Word, and one of your friends or relatives already has the basic knowledge or to how to use the Microsoft Word, you can approach that friend or relative and you can ask him for helping him. Or you are to make a PowerPoint presentation and your friend is very much having the knowledge of the same, you can approach him for the purpose. It may be also possible that you can contact your local educational provider and you can ask for one-to-one training session. Then there is discussion on various technological trends. You can go through the same by browsing news sites which specialize in technology. You can watch TV programs where there is a discussion about latest technology. On the YouTube, Google, you can search for the various tutorials which are available online, which may be free or which may be paid. It is up to you to decide in which field you want to excel in. Then, whatever skill you have gained, you have to make the practice of the same. For example, you want to learn how to send and receive emails, you can get in touch with a friend and exchange with him emails. By doing this, you will have a sense of confidence in yourself that you have gained the relevant knowledge or relevant skills. When we are applying for jobs, improving our ICT skills is a prudent way to give ourselves a competitive advantage over other candidates. That is, we must be having more knowledge of ICT skills if we want to be selected in a particular on a particular job for a particular job. But one thing is to be noted that while we are improving our ICT skills, we will have to be patient. It is not that we can improve our ICT skills in a day or two. It will take time. Next, Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.